Hey everyone, it's Miss Gubrood. Here is your video on how to make your own secret picture using ordered pairs. So this is the secret picture video. So you can see that I am on the secret picture activity. So this time you are going to create your own secret picture using ordered pairs. Remember, you're going to use the same system that you used last week, where you copied the dot, pasted the dot, and then put it onto the coordinate grid. So there's what you're going to do. There's the directions. Now, let's take a look at this one. You're going to connect the dots then. Keep in mind that first you're going to make the picture, and then you have to plot the coordinates. So that's why I highlighted this direction. Please go back and read these directions. It's in your Google Classroom, or you can just pause the video. You can actually see them right here. Okay, so there you see I've gotten this started. I'm making a bit of a shark. Now, again, you don't have to be a super artist. That's okay. I'm not a super artist, but you can create something individual, unique, something that you're interested in that you'd like to try. So I tried to create a bit of a shark. So remember how you're going to do it is roll your mouse over. As soon as it turns to that plus sign there, then you can copy. You can either click Control C for copy. You could also go up to File. That takes a lot longer. You could right click if you have that as a choice. And then you want to paste that. So again, I'm going to right click and paste, but you could do Control V is a short button for Control Paste. So there it is. I'm going to paste a few of them to just get myself started. Paste, paste, paste. I'm not copying each time. I'm just continuing to paste. Then you're going to drag them where they need to be. So for instance, I'm going to try to make an eyeball here. There's that one. I'm going to drag that one over there. I'm going to drag that one over there. And I'm going to drag that one over there. This one I missed a little bit. I got to bring it down a little bit. Whoops. Got to bring that one down a little bit. And that one up a little bit. There we go. So now you can see I've made a little eyeball. Now, once you've plotted all the dots, you're going to connect them. So again, you're going to take this. Same thing. You're going to copy. And then you're going to paste. So copy, paste, copy, paste. You can use any system of copy, paste you want. File, you can use. Right click, you can use buttons. Control C for copy and Control V for paste. And then you're going to continue to do it. Paste. And once you've copied it, you don't need to continue to copy it every time. You just need to paste, paste, paste. Now notice that what I'm doing here is I'm moving them. I'm changing them so that they connect my picture. So you can see that here. Now, I'm going to keep doing that all the way along so I connect my whole picture. Now I've created my own secret picture. Don't forget the next slide. The next slide is you need to plot right here. It says type in the ordered pairs that you need to plot to make your secret picture. This is you're creating your own answer key for whoever's going to do your picture. So go back here. You can choose to start anywhere. Now, for my picture, I might choose to start maybe at the top of this shark's mouth. I could start at the top fin. You can start wherever you want, but you need to plot the point. So I'm going to start at the top of this shark's mouth, and I can see that left and right, it's -8. And up and down, I didn't go up and down at all. It's actually 0. So my first ordered pair, I'm just going to get rid of all this. My first ordered pair, I'm going to say start here, and it is -8, 0. That's my first one. Now I don't want that actually to be highlighted, so I'm going to get rid of that highlighting and just make that plain. But now I've done my first ordered pair. I'm going to put a comma. Then I go back here. You could open up 2 screens. Lots of kids are opening up 2 screens, so they don't have to go back and forth, back and forth. It takes a little bit of time to get the 2 screens set up, but once you have a setup, works really, really well. So you could set up 2 screens if you don't know how to do that. Maybe I need to make a short little tutorial on doing that, or you could reach out. Lots of your friends already know, and they could help you too. I could help you too. So I've got that one. The next one I'm going to plot then is the shark's kind of forehead. So I see that it's left and right to -7 and up and down to 1. So -7, 1. I'm going to come back over here, put my clicker at the end here, and put a parenthesis, -7, that was the X, comma, 1. There it is. Put another parenthesis. Remember, they're always in parentheses. Come on, I'm done with that one. And you're going to keep going and plot your ordered pairs, because these ordered pairs is what you're going to share with a friend. You're not going to share your picture with them. The picture is going to be what when they do your ordered pairs, what they come up with to be your secret picture. But you need to have both. You need to have your picture and you need to have the answer key, which is the ordered pairs. So please reach out. I hope you have fun with this. These can be kind of fun. If you say, gosh, this is so hard, I'd really rather do this on paper, and you have some graph paper, or you can print out graph paper, you're welcome to do that. This would normally be a lesson that I would do on paper, but because we're virtual, it gets a little tricky. So if it's super, super tricky for you, see if you can get some paper that's like grid paper and make your own, and then you can just plot it right there. That's okay too. Remember, don't click the turn in button until you actually do the work. When you do the work, when you do the picture, when you've made your picture, when you've made your directions, that's the time to click turn in. See you next time. Good luck.